What's going on, guys? And for today, we are going to compare Sellvia and Shopify. Sellvia and Shopify are two prominent e-commerce platforms, each catering to different business needs. Sellvia focuses on simplifying dropshipping with a curated product selection and streamlined logistics, while Shopify offers a robust, customizable solution for building and managing diverse online stores. In this video, we are going to explore their features, some of the drawbacks, their pricing, and whether this is the right one for you. Let's take a look at Sellvia. Turnkey product packages. Sellvia provides ready-to-sell product bundles ranging from 100 to 1,000 items, complete with high-converting product pages and customer reviews, allowing users to quickly populate their stores with minimal effort. Automated order processing. The platform automates the entire order fulfillment process, enabling users to handle orders with a single click, which saves time and reduces manual errors. Personalized support. Each user is assigned a personal manager from day one, offering tailored guidance on marketing strategies and business management, ensuring support throughout the entrepreneurial journey. Integrated marketing tools. Sellvia includes built-in marketing resources such as social media content, email marketing capabilities, and SEO optimization tools, making it easier for users to promote their stores effectively. Shopify, on the other hand, offers extensive app ecosystem. Shopify boasts a vast marketplace of apps that allows users to customize their stores with various functionalities, from advanced analytics to inventory management tools, enhancing overall store performance. Highly customizable storefronts. Users can choose from hundreds of themes and templates to create a unique online store that reflects their brand identity, with options for advanced customization through coding if desired. Robust payment processing. Shopify supports numerous payment gateways and offers its own payment processor, Shopify Payments, which simplifies transactions and can reduce additional fees for users. Scalable infrastructure. The platform is designed to grow with businesses accommodating everything from small startups to large enterprises, while providing features like multi-channel selling across social media platforms and marketplaces. Comprehensive analytics. Shopify provides detailed analytics and reporting tools that help users track sales performance, customer behavior, and market campaign effectiveness, enabling data-driven decision-making. While Sellvia and Shopify offer unique advantages, each platform also has notable drawbacks that potential users should consider before choosing. Sellvia has limited shipping options. Sellvia only supports shipping within the United States, which restricts businesses targeting international markets. Narrow product selection. Although Sellvia offers a curated range of best-selling products, its overall catalog is limited compared to the competitors in the industry. Customer support challenges. Many users report inconsistent experiences with Sellvia's customer support, citing slow response times and unhelpful interactions. On the other hand, Shopify has high pricing structure. Shopify's subscription fees can accumulate quickly, especially when adding transaction fees and app costs, making it expensive for small businesses and startups. Limited customization options. While Shopify offers themes, significant design changes often require coding knowledge or hiring developers, which can be frustrating for users seeking unique storefronts. Dependence on apps for features. Many advanced functionalities rely on third-party apps, leading to additional costs and complexities in managing multiple integrations to achieve desired features. When it comes to pricing, Sellvia offers an all-inclusive solution that appeals to budget-conscious entrepreneurs, with a straightforward subscription fee of $39 per month and no hidden cost or transaction fees. Shopify, on the other hand, offers 4 subscription plans. The basic plan starts at $25 per month, and it comes with a 2% third-party payment providers, 10 inventory locations, 24/7 chat support, localized global selling for 3 markets, and POS Lite. Shopify comes in at $65 per month, and it has 1% third-party payment providers, 10 inventory locations, 24/7 chat support, localized global selling for 3 markets, 5 additional staff accounts, and a POS Lite. The advanced plan comes in at $399, and it has 0.6% third-party payment providers, custom reports and analytics, 10 inventory locations, enhanced 24/7 chat support, localized global selling for 3 markets, plus ad market for $59 per month for each, 15 additional staff accounts, 10 times checkout capacity, and a POS Lite. The Plus plan comes in at $2,300 per month, and it has competitive rate for high-volume merchants, custom reports and analytics, 200 inventory locations, priority 24/7 phone support, localized global selling for 50 markets, unlimited staff accounts, customizable checkout with 40 times capacity, 200 POS Pro locations with Shopify payments, and wholesales or B2B. In conclusion, choosing between Sellvia and Shopify depends on your business needs. Sellvia is ideal for beginners seeking a straightforward dropshipping solution, while Shopify offers extensive customization and scalability for established businesses. Assess your goals to determine which platform aligns best with your vision. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.